Hello viewers, I'm Mujahid Raza, your fruit and vegetable trade expert. Welcome to this in-depth video exploring the world of fruits and vegetables, a sector full of potential for farmers, traders, exporters and all food business enthusiasts. In the next, we will unpack production trends, trade data, prices, challenges and success strategies. My goal is to get you excited about the possibilities and equip you to take the next steps towards launching or growing your own fruit and veg venture. Let's start with the basics. Why is this sector so crucial globally? What are some of the benefits you think fruits and vegetables provide? Feel free to comment your thoughts below. Fruits and vegetables are invaluable. They provide nutrition, livelihoods for millions of farmers, and business opportunities across the supply chain. Global production overview. Now let's explore production trends. Global output of fruits and vegetables has steadily grown over the last decade. In 2021, 885 million tons of vegetables were produced worldwide. China, India and the United States are the top three vegetable producers. 830 million tons of fruit were produced globally. Leading producers are China, India, Brazil, USA and Spain. The largest producing regions currently are Asia, South America and Europe. But this is changing. Which regions come to your mind as emerging fruit and veg production hotspots? Share your thoughts below. Parts of Africa, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East have tremendous potential to emerge as fruit and vegetable hubs given the right investments and policies. I totally agree. Now let's look at the trade side of the equation. Global trade flows. The global fruit and vegetable trade exceeded $330 billion in 2021. With steady growth over the past 5 years. For vegetables, China, Netherlands and Spain lead exports. The US, Netherlands and Spain dominate fruit exports. Top importers for both fruits and veggies are USA, Germany, China, France and UK. Clearly, there is vigorous trade activity and demand across continents. This presents exciting opportunities for export-oriented farmers and agribusinesses like yourself. In your opinion, which fruits and vegetables offer the most lucrative export potential currently? Feel free to chime in. Fantastic insights. Berries, avocados, grapes, citrus fruits and leafy greens do have excellent export prospects currently based on their popularity and nutrition profile. Building reputable supply chains for these commodities ensures buyer demand worldwide. Fruit and vegetable prices. Now let's discuss pricing dynamics. Pricing is always a key factor in the fresh produce business, as we know. To give you a sense, across the EU's major wholesale markets this week, apples, L-Star from Germany traded at €165 to €197 per 100 kilograms. Braeburn from New Zealand fetched €150 to €216. Pears, Santa Maria from Italy sold for €245 to €330 per 100 kilograms. Williams pears from the Netherlands were €160 to €268. Peaches, Spanish white peaches traded at €200 to €290 per 100 kilograms. Italian at €194 to €256. Lettuce ranged from €67 to €125/100 pieces for domestic and imported. As expected, prices fluctuate across varieties, quality grades, and source countries based on local supply-demand dynamics. But Europe's renowned produce usually commands higher prices versus imports. In your view, what three key factors influence the pricing for fresh fruits and vegetables? Let me know your thoughts below. Origin, quality, freshness, taste, nutritional value, organic certification, and local market supply-demand are crucial pricing determinants. By optimizing these aspects, farmers and exporters can maximize their margins, challenges, and success strategies. However, the fresh produce business also poses several challenges: managing inconsistent supply and perishability, navigating volatile prices and unpredictable weather, accessing affordable credit, crop insurance, and post-harvest technologies, meeting stringent export quality and food safety standards. Overcoming high logistics costs and lack of cold chain infrastructure. From your experience, what are the biggest hurdles faced by Indian fruit and vegetable exporters today? I'd love to hear your perspectives. Lack of cold storage, price volatility, and infrastructure gaps seem to be recurring challenges. Building scale through farmer collectives and boosting value addition seem like solid solutions. Here are some other proven strategies to navigate hurdles. Invest in protected farming like net houses and greenhouses. Adopt climate-smart technologies like precision irrigation. Pursue organic certification to access premium pricing. Enter long-term contracts with buyers to stabilize income. Focus on geographical advantages for counter-seasonal exports. Do these spark creative ideas to build your own successful fruit and veg venture? Share your plans in the comments. With passion and the right business model design, you can absolutely achieve fruit and vegetable export success. India, a promising opportunity. Let me spotlight India as an upcoming player with tremendous potential in this sector. Here are some key highlights. Second largest global producer of fruits and vegetables. Leads production of mangoes, bananas, okra, and more. Production growing steadily at 5 to 6% annually, driven by rising domestic demand. Accounts for only 0.5% of global fresh produce exports currently, but has massive upside potential. Export promotion policies now focused on mangoes, grapes, pomegranates, and vegetables. Leveraging strengths like diverse agroclimatic zones and lower costs is key for export success. What innovations in Indian agriculture are you most excited about? I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. Fantastic perspectives. Agricultural technology will certainly play a crucial role in raising productivity and incomes. Cold chain infrastructure and export-oriented clusters also provide promising models for India to follow, with strategic public and private investments in supply chain infrastructure, farmer collaboration, and food safety compliance. India can capture the booming export opportunity while also addressing domestic nutritional security. Key takeaways. To summarize, here are my key takeaways from our fruit and vegetable business overview. Production and trade are growing steadily, underpinned by demand for nutrition. Big export potential exists for value-added, branded, and organic produce. Smart solutions are needed to tackle infrastructure, supply and policy hurdles. India and other emerging nations have untapped production and export opportunities. Building partnerships and leveraging technology will be key to scalable, profitable ventures. The fruits and vegetables space offers immense scope for value creation and impact for all stakeholders: farmers, traders, exporters, and consumers worldwide. With strategic thinking and coordinated action, we can build prosperous businesses that also tackle food and nutritional security. I hope this video equipped you with insights to get started on your fruit and veg goals. Do like, share, and leave any final thoughts or questions in the comments below. I look forward to connecting with you. Visit my LinkedIn page to learn more about my work in the fruit and vegetable trade sector. You can also email me for any specific business consultation requests related to exports, quality assurance, certifications, or industry partnerships. Thanks for watching. I'm Mujahid signing off. Here is to building thriving careers and ventures in the dynamic world of fruits and vegetables.